Competitive examination THAGADOURIBA MAHEIROI SHING TAKPI TAMBIBADA MAMING LEIRABA Career Center ama OIRIBA Kota Group ki Career Point Kota Imphal Center ngasi Imphal West ki MANUNG CHANNA LEIBA Heirangoithong Ningthemcha Karong Da Hangdokkhre Center asi hangdokpagi thauram aduda Retired IAS Officer RK Nimai MCCI gi General Secretary Anil Haurokcham amadi Enlightened Knowledge Higher Secondary School gi Vice Principal L Nalini Career Point Kota Imphal Center gi Manager Saksi Sarmana mathangshitna Chief Guest of Honor amadi President oina sarukyakhi Thauram aduga mari leinana Career Point Kota Imphal Center gi Manager Saksi Sarmana hai Kota na maru oina G NEET, IIT amadi Olympiad kumba competitive examination THAGADOURIBA MAHEIROI SHINGda examination karamna mai pakani haibana chingba takpibaga loinana matik chaba study materials sing piri masida natana class 8 tagi 12 fauba tamliba CBSE gi MAHEIROI SHINGdasu coaching piri India gi oina state ayambada Kota Center yankhai henna hangli North East region da Imphal Center asina anishuba center ni ngasi hangdokliba Kota Imphal Center asida chahi asida MAHEIROI chaunga coaching pinaba pandam thamli Career Point Kota Imphal Center hangdokliba asigi maru oiba pandam de MAHEIROI shingna mapalamda coaching tauba chatpada sel yamna changba adu changhandana ningthina mahei tamba phanghanna bani haina mahakna makha takhi
Career Point it is an educational hub. So we are best in the with the competitive examination. So we are providing a classes for a state board, CBSE board, and in Olympiad exams, and we are main focusing on competitive exams like in IIT and NEET aspirants. We have certain USPs like we have a limited batch size. We have a 25-20 जैसे 30 students है ना, we have a limited अपने batch size. Our academic team is from Kota, and we are providing student for a digital application. So student can learn from Kota also live, and we have a exam oriented study materials.